Shivamogga, the traffic police carried out a sudden inspection operation across the city targeting school and college vehicles. During the drive, police registered cases against drivers found operating school vehicles after consuming alcohol. A total of 4 drunken drive cases were booked by the traffic police station. School and college vehicles, including buses carrying students, were stopped and thoroughly inspected as part of the operation. Police checked whether the drivers had consumed alcohol, and during the checks, 4 drivers were confirmed to be under the influence of alcohol. Following this confirmation, cases were officially registered by the traffic police station against the concerned drivers. As part of the same operation, police also influenced instructions that all school vehicles must compulsorily maintain valid insurance, emission certificates and fitness certificates at all times. The condition of the vehicles was also inspected during the drive. This sudden crackdown by the Shivamogga traffic police highlights strict enforcement action against violations involving student transport safety. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.